Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all my lovely little angels of playgroup. How are you all? I hope my all tiny stars will be very fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. So my students, are you ready for study? Yes, it's your study time and we are going to start phonics. Are you ready and excited to learn very interesting in phonics? So be ready.
1, 2, 3. Let's get started. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Woo! I love it! Okay, kids. Now we're gonna do it one more time, okay? But this time we're gonna do it lower, okay? We're gonna lower our voice like that. Lower. Okay, ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, Ronnie, did you like it? I love this song. Okay, now Ronnie, look, I want from you, I'm gonna put the ruler here and tell me to stop, okay? Just say stop and I will stop, okay? Okay, Ronnie. Say stop, Ronnie. Say stop. Say stop. Ah, I have heard. Stop. Okay. Stop. This one, Ronnie. Yay. This one, this letter. Okay. A, B, C. Oh, so you want C. Okay. I'm gonna take it from here. And I'm gonna put it here to learn it together today. Oh, okay, Ron. Now I want from you to sit next to me here on the table, okay? To learn together the letter C. Okay, so today, kids, we're gonna talk about the letter C. Okay, the name of this letter is C, okay? The sound of this letter, the sound of the letter. Okay, so here I'm gonna feel the letter and I'm gonna say its sound again. So listen to me and look here. Okay, so what is the sound of this letter? What is the sound of this letter? Okay, deal. Now, let's see what do we have about this letter. Okay, kids. Now, look here. I'm gonna write the letter K, as we said before, here. Okay, look at me. Now, we're gonna write the letter here. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Again, one more time. Kids, look at me. I start from here. like it, Ronnie? Look at that we have here. Okay, now let's have one more activity about this letter. Now, look what I have here. Paint, okay, some paint, and we're gonna need the letter K. Okay, now I'm gonna fill the letter K with paint. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna dip my finger here to fill the letter K with paint. And I'm gonna start from here. Up. Wow, look, Ronnie, look. Okay, now I'm filling the letter K with the paint. Wow, I love it. Oh, look at my fingerprints. Wow. Okay, kids, did you love?
Okay, lovely students, our lesson is over. Keep on repeating your lesson. I hope so. You will not forget to repeat. That's all for today. I will be back with new lesson. Till then, take care of yourself. May Allah protect you always.